Exercise 3.1, Question 3. Find whether each pair is consistent or inconsistent. Part 1. 3x plus 2y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 7. Ratios: 3/2 and 2/3, these are not equal. Lines intersect. Consistent, unique solution exists. Part 2. 2x minus 3y equals 8 and 4x minus 6y equals 9. Ratios: 2/4 equals -3/6 equals 1/2, but 8/9 is not 1/2. Inconsistent, parallel lines, no solution. Part 3. 3/2 times x plus 5/3 times y equals 7 and 9x minus 10y equals 14. A1/A2 equals 1/6 and B1/B2 equals -1/18, not equal. Consistent, unique solution. Part 4. 5x minus 3y equals 11 and -10x plus 6y equals -22. All three ratios equal -1/2, lines are coincident. Consistent and dependent, infinitely many solutions. Part 5. 4/3 times x plus 2y equals 8 and 2x plus 3y equals 12. All ratios equal 2/3, lines are coincident. Consistent and dependent, infinitely many solutions. Exercise 3.2, Question 1. Solve by the substitution method. Part 1. X plus y equals 14 and x minus y equals 4. From the first x equals 14 minus y substituting, 14 minus 2y equals 4, so y equals 5 and x equals 9. Part 2. S minus t equals 3 and s/3 plus t/2 equals 6. Express s equals t plus 3. Substituting into the second equation and clearing fractions, 5t equals 30, so t equals 6 and s equals 9. Part 3. 3x minus y equals 3 and 9x minus 3y equals 9. Express y equals 3x minus 3. Substituting, 9x minus 3 times 3x minus 3 equals 9 gives 9 equals 9, always true. Infinitely many solutions, the equations are dependent. Part 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y equals 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equals 2.3. Express x equals 6.5 minus 1.5y. Substituting, -0.1y equals -0.3, so y equals 3 and x equals 2. Solution: x equals 2, y equals 3. Exercise 3.2, Question 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 2x minus 4y equals -24. Also find the value of m for which y equals mx plus 3. Step 1. Subtract the second equation from the first. 7y equals 35, so y equals 5. Step 2. From the first equation, 2x equals 11 minus 15 equals -4, so x equals -2. The solution is x equals -2, y equals 5. Step 3. Substitute into y equals mx plus 3. 5 equals m times -2 plus 3. So -2m equals 2, giving m equals -1. Therefore m equals -1. Verification: y equals -1 times -2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. Correct. Exercise 3.2, Question 3, Word problems by substitution method. Part 1. Difference of two numbers equals 26. One number is 3 times the other. Let x and y be the numbers. X minus y equals 26 and x equals 3y. Substituting, 3y minus y equals 26, so 2y equals 26, y equals 13, x equals 39. Part 2. Larger supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Supplementary means they sum to 180. X plus y equals 180 and x minus y equals 18. Adding, 2x equals 198, so x equals 99 degrees and y equals 81 degrees. Part 3. 7 bats and 6 balls cost 3,800 rupees. 3 bats and 5 balls cost 1,750 rupees. Let bat cost be x and ball cost be y. 7x plus 6y equals 3,803x plus 5y equals 1,750. Solving. Multiply equation 2 by 7 and equation 1 by 3, then subtract. We get 17y equals 850, so y equals 50 and x equals 500. 1 bat costs 500 rupees and 1 ball costs 50 rupees. Exercise 3.3, question 1. Solve by elimination method and also by substitution method. Part 1 x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. By substitution x equals 5 minus y. Then 2 times 5 minus y minus 3y equals 4. 10 minus 5y equals 4, so y equals 6 over 5 and x equals 19 over 5. Part 2, 3x plus 4y equals 10 and 2x minus 2y equals 2. Multiply the second by 2, 4x minus 4y equals 4. Add to the first, 7x equals 14, so x equals 2 and y equals 1. Part 3, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals 0 and 9x equals 2y plus 7. Rewrite as 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Multiply the first by 3, 9x minus 15y equals 12. Subtract, negative 13y equals 5, so y equals negative 5 over 13. Then x equals 9 over 13. The solution is x equals 9 over 13 and y equals negative 5 over 13. Exercise 3.3, question 2, word problems using the elimination method. Part 1, a fraction. Adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator gives 1. Adding 1 to the denominator gives 1/2. Let the fraction be x over y. Equation 1x minus y equals negative 2. Equation 2, 2x minus y equals 1. Subtracting x equals 3. Then y equals 5. The fraction is 3 over 5. Part 2, Nuri and Sonu's ages. 5 years ago Nuri was 3 times Sonu's age. 10 years later Nuri will be twice Sonu's age. Equations x minus 3y equals negative 10 and x minus 2y equals 10. Subtracting, negative y equals negative 20, so y equals 20 and x equals 50. Nuri is 50 and Sonu is 20. Part 3, 2-digit number whose digits sum to 9. 9 times the number equals 2 times its reverse. Let digits be x and y. X plus y equals 9 and 8x minus y equals 0. Adding, 9x equals 9, so x equals 1 and y equals 8. The number is 18. Part 4, Meena withdrew 2,000 rupees using 25 notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees. X plus y equals 25 and 50x plus 100 y equals 2,000. Simplifying x plus 2y equals 40. Subtracting, y equals 15 and x equals 10. Part 5, Library charges. Fixed charge plus daily charge for extra days. Saritha paid 27 rupees for 7 days and Susie paid 21 rupees for 5 days. X plus 4y equals 27 and x plus 2y equals 21. Subtracting, 2y equals 6, so y equals 3 and x equals 15. Fixed charge is 15 rupees and extra day charge is 3 rupees.